Hello and welcome to LindaZ's Thursday morning video. We are here in the studio and I've got some great kits and great classes I wanted to talk about today. And let's start with what's right in front of me, shall we? We have this wonderful floor canvas project that is one of many. We have a bunch of kits at the store that are ready to be purchased. And I just had some feedback from customers that were in the other day and they said, hey, Debbie, can we have another class? Because we had this class, not for this particular one that I'm showing you right in front of me. This is the one I just made a couple of weeks ago at a retreat that I went to. And it was really fun to make. And I just wanted to tell you that we're going to put in about 2 months' time, we're going to put a class on our schedule so that you could buy any of the kits and you could actually learn the technique of how to make these. You may have to finish at home depending on how many of the appliques pieces you are going to be putting on your project. But I just wanted to let you know that, like, for example, this is a very, very popular one. It's a snowman called, it's a snowman canvas rug, so floor canvas. And there are about six others. And then what we also have in the store is we bought some of the canvas on the roll. So you could buy it by the yard and you could create your own alphabet lettering, right? So if you have someone who's going away to college, you want to make them a rug. This is actually a hallway type of a long, skinny version of it, but it normally is a rug that finishes 33 by 51. So that's what this would have been. But this particular kit, which is called the So Much More floor canvas, has the option to make what I made here, which is the long and skinny version, which is how they show it here on this part of the pattern that is included with the kit. So you've got that long skinny one. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see that actually, I took the liberty to put my choices of applique where I chose to put my pieces of applique, and I did not follow exactly along their suggested pieces of applique. So you are in charge of your own creativity in this world. And so I just wanted to reiterate that. That's great. We also have the batting available at the store because this one has not quite been finished yet. You can see it's just the raw edge applique that I stitched down. And I need to put the batting and then the backing, and then I need to do some quilting on this. And then I've got my handy dandy binding ready to go. So we cut from the fabric that is in the kit. We cut these 3-inch strips and they are fabulous, and we can put our binding all the way around and we're ready to lay it on a floor somewhere in our world. So just wanted to let you know that is going to be available. That's really fun. We had one when was that class? I can't remember when it was. It was not too long ago, where we were doing the holly leaves and the holly berries on a really cute black and white checked background. And we are going to be cutting more of those kits. So those kits will be available very soon. I think we have 10 or 12 of those that are coming. So if you are interested, please keep an eye out, because it's not quite on our website yet, not quite available to sign up. But in about 2 months' time, we're going to have one of those classes again. And I have a feeling the room is going to be full, just like it was for that holly floor canvas class. So I will be teaching that class because I've made 3 of these now. And so I guess that would be calling me an expert at the floor canvas world. Sorry, Tammy, I'm pushing you out. It's me now at LindaZ's. So I also made another project, wanted to show you. This is a kit that we have in our store. It's right here. It is called the 5-Star Pillow. So I just made that also at the same retreat I was at. It's really fun to make. You get all of the fabric you need plus a zipper. And I chose a backing that's really fun. I chose this cuddle fabric, the white flat cuddle. So it's very soft and very warm on one side. And then you have your quilting cottons on the other side. And then the zipper is just sort of along the bottom here. So just inserted my zipper along the bottom. And if you want to give us comments and let us know if that's something you need a class on, I could teach the class on this. I did make this pillow just last week, and just wanted to let you know that you can purchase the kit, right? So you have everything you need for the front and for the back and the zipper. So in this kit, and it's really, really fun project for anyone to make. What else do I have? Ooh, I have good news. But first, before the good news, I wanted to talk about this neck warmer that I'm wearing. Remember my black neck warmer? Just wanted to bring you back to, and there might be a reference to another video that we made on these Thursday mornings. These are these bamboo fat quarter bundles. Just one fat quarter makes one neck warmer. And I do have a video out there showing you how to do that. It's still cold out there, guys. So it's really nice to have the neck warm. And I love it. I'm wearing it every day. I've got one in navy. I'm going to make this one gray one because gray is also fun. And I've got my black one on today. Oh, no, there's a surprise. Debbie's wearing black. But just thought I'd remind you that there's this easy way to buy a piece of fabric and create a neck warmer with just the one piece of fabric. So it's great. And now the news of the day is that we've got the Sunday brunch line of Tilda in the house. We've got it. So just thought I'd show you the 10-inch squares that we have, but we have all of the pre-cuts and all of the bolts. So these are in the house. They have since, they are actually they're not supposed to be sold until February 1st, which is what, Saturday? Right, so we're gonna hit the ground running on Saturday, and you guys are going to be able to purchase these things starting Saturday. Just thought you'd get a heads up on that at the store. Let me give you an idea of some of the other colors that are there. So we've got these fat quarter bundles that are here. Look from the side how pretty. Tilda's, just faithful to their beautiful, like brushed, natural tones. They're just so pretty and just really gorgeous. I just love these. This is all Sunday brunch, the collection. So you have different colorways, and so like those mustard yellows and those beiges and blues, and then this is kind of a muted pink and rust colors here, and then this is the 5-inch square that also is available for you to make up really fun stuff. What else do I have back here? Oh, yes. Creating Memories is still a Tilda line that is still, we still have all of those bolts, and we do have some pre-cuts that just came in. Just thought I'd show you that. Oh, this is a cute little bag that I was given by the Tilda family. Very cute. That's from the Creating Memories from the spring and summer pastels part of the Creating Memories line. This is like a Christmas type of Creating Memories colorway. And then I've got another one back here, which is more fall colors of the Creating Memories. And so we've got all of these bolts in the store, and then we've got some of these pre-cuts available. Tilda is a very popular brand that we are carrying at LindaZ, and we're super happy to have it. I have a little bit of, here's the Sunday brunch sampler. I could go through some of these too really quick if you'd like me to. These are some of the really pretty colors in that new Sunday brunch that is for February 1st. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. And they all just go together. They play nicely together. All of these different colors. I'm skipping over a few here, but you can see, I think there's some repeats there, but very, very pretty. Oh, look at that beige. How pretty that is. And then you've got the blue and different beautiful colorways. So pretty. And then the flowers that are at the end. So there you go. There you have it. And just wanted to touch base with you all again on our Thursday morning video, and wish you a happy midwinter, I guess is what we're in the middle of here, and stay warm out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.